Hi, this is Parvez. Welcome to my channel. This is the part 5 of PHP for Beginners series. In this tutorial, we'll see what is comment and what are the uses of comments. Comments are description about the source code, and comments are generally ignored by compilers or interpreters. Now let's open the previous code to demonstrate what is comment. Now there are two types of comments. One is single line comment and one is multi-line comment. Single line comments are defined by double forward slash, and multilingual comments are defined by forward slash star then star forward slash. If we put comment before echo, then the entire line will be ignored, and hence there will be no output because this will be ignored. So let's run it and check it. This okay. Now let's run it. Sorry, I forgot to save. Yeah, now it will work fine. Yeah, it is not showing anything because this is ignored because we have put a comment here. Okay, now let's copy it and paste it on another line. Now let's execute it. It is showing output this line because in a single line comment only one line is ignored, and hence this line is executed. Now again copy paste it. Okay, now we'll use multilingual comment. So for that the syntax is forward slash star star forward slash. Okay, now when we run it, it is not showing anything because now multilingual comment covers all the lines in between these signs. As of now we have seen the syntax of comments. Now we will see how actually the use of comments. Let's say many programmers are working on a single project, so the modules are divided among them. So let's say module A is given to me, so I am supposed to write the source code for that. So let's say these are the source code for that module and I have created it. Just consider it. And okay, so since this is created by me, so I'll write information about me because it is created by me, like it is created by me. I can also mention the date on which it is created. I can also write what is the function of this module. Let's say the module is payroll part of bank. So this module is created by me, that is Parvez, and on 18 September, and the module is payroll. Now let's say after some day somebody replaced me, I left the job, and company wants to change the functionality, and company want to change some part of the payroll system, payroll module. So let's say one new employee came and updated my previous one, so he will write like updated by his name, let's say Perry, and on date. We can say this is the actual use of comments. If you liked my video, then please like, comment, subscribe and share. This will help for the growth of my channel.